Hi friends, welcome to Digestive Max. நான் உங்கள் புருஷோத்தமன். Today we have to see some special series. The first one is the sum of first n natural numbers. The sum of first n natural number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the sum of first n natural number. Now let us see the sum. The given sum is find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 60 plus 60. For this we have to use the special series. What is the formula? The sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. The same way we know that solution, we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Using this formula, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 60 equal to, here n is 60. Substitute n equals 60 in the given formula. So n 60 into n 60 plus 1 divided by 2. Here 60 into 60 plus 1 61 divided by 2. When we cancel two table, 2 ones are 2, 2 30s are 60. When we multiply these two, 61 into 30, 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. The answer is 1830. So the sum of first 60 natural numbers is 1830. Now let us see another sum. The given sum is find the sum of 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus 96. Now find the solution. The given sum, we have to take 3 as common. 3 as common. Given sum 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus 96. Here we take 3 as common outside. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, plus etc. plus 3 32s are 96. Here next step 3, this is the formula. Here n equal to 32. So we have to substitute n 32 into 32 plus 1 divided by 2. Next step 3, 32 plus 1 33 divided by 2. Here cancel 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder 1, 2 6 are 12. Next step we have to multiply 16 into 33, 3 6 are 18, remainder 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4, 48, again third table 48. So 8 plus 4, 12, 2 remainder 1, 528. 3 into 528, then multiply third table. 8 3s are 24, 4, remainder 2, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 8, 5 3s are 15. So the answer is 1584. Now let us see another sum. The given sum is find the sum of 51 plus 52 plus etc. plus 92. This is also natural number series. Okay, but it is not given from 1 to, okay. Solution 51 plus 52 plus 53 etc. plus 92. We can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 92, last term, minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to the before term 51 before number 50. This step is very, very important. Next step, already we know that sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is 92. 92. So 92 into 92 plus 1 divided by 2 minus. Here n is 50. So 50 into 50 plus 1 divided by 2. Next step, 92. 92 plus 1, 93 divided by 2 minus 50. 50 plus 1, 51 divided by 2. Next step, we take two table cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, 12, 2 6 are 12. Here, two table, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 10, 2 5s are 10. Then multiply 46 and 93. 46 into 93. 3 6 are 88, remainder 1, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. 9 6 are 54, remainder 5, 9 4s are 36 plus 5, 41. So 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 4. The first answer is 4278 minus second one. 51 into 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. The answer is 5721. 1275. Next step, subtract. 4278 minus 1275. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. So the answer is 3003. Now let us see the next special series, the sum of squares of first n natural number. The sum of squares of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now see, 1 square, the squares of first n natural number, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus etc. plus n square equal to the sum of the squares of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the squares of first n natural number summation. The sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Now let us see the sum. Find the sum of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus etc. plus 225. Now find the solution. Solution, given series is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus etc. plus 225. We can write 1 square, 4 2 square, 9 3 square plus etc. plus 225 as 15 square. So the given sum can be written like this: 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. 15 square. Now we know the formula: 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So here n is 15. So using this formula, we write first n 15 into 15 plus 1, 15 plus 1 into 2n, 2 into 15 plus 1 divided by 6. Next step, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 2 into 15, 30, 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 6. When we cancel, 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Next third table, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Next step, 5 into 8 into 31. 5 into 8 into 31. 5 8s are 40, 40 into 31. When we multiply these two, 31 into 40, 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 1240. So the sum of the squares of first 15 natural numbers is 1240. Now let us say another sum. The given sum is find the sum of 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus etc. plus 21 square. Here also the sum is not given from first natural number 1. So we have to find the solution. Solution, given question 6 square, 7 square plus 8 square plus etc. plus 21 square. We can write this 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. the last term 21 the whole square minus 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. What is the before number? 6 square. Before number 5 square. Okay. Already we know the sum of the squares of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n is 21. Here n is 5. We have to substitute n value in the given formula. Here n is 21. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus here also n equal to 5. 5 into 5 plus 1 n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, next step 21 into 21 plus 1 22 into 2 21s are 42, 42 plus 1 43 divided by 6 minus 5 into 5 plus 1 6 into 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 by 6. Here we cancel 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 11s are 22. Next third table, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Here we cancel 6 6. Here 7 into 11 into 43 minus 5 into 11. Next step 7 11s are 77 into 43 minus 5 11s are 55. Now multiply 77 and 43. 77 into 43. 3 7s are 21 1, remainder 2. 3 7s are 21 plus 2, 23. Next 4 7s are 28. Remainder 2. 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. So 1, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, remainder 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3. So 3311 into minus 55. So 3311 minus 55. 1 minus 5 is not possible, borrow 1. 11 minus 5 6. Here 0, borrow 1. 10 minus 5 5. Here 2. So the answer is 3256. Now let us see the other special series, the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. The sum of cubes of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. The sum of cubes of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. The sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Now let us see the sum. Find the sum of 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus etc. plus 20 cube. Here also they are not giving natural numbers from 1. Okay. Now let us find the sum of the given series. 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus etc. 20 cube. We can write the given sum 10 cube, 11 cube, 12 cube plus etc. plus 20 cube equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus the last term 20 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. What is the before natural number? 9 cube. Now we know the sum of the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. Formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Here n is 20, here n is 9. We substitute. First n 20 into n plus 1, 20 plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square minus n is 9, so n into 9 plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Next step 20 plus 1 21 divided by 2 the whole square minus here 9 plus 1 10, 9 into 10 divided by 2 the whole square. When we cancel 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Next step 10 into 21, 210 the whole square minus 9 fives are 45 the whole square. So 210 the whole square is, already we know 21s are 441, then you write 2 zeros. 441, then you put 2 zeros minus 45s are 2025. When we subtract these two, ten minus 5, here there is no number, so borrow 1 here, here 0, here 10, borrow 1, here 9, here 10, 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 2 7, here 0, 0 minus 0 0, here what is the number? 4, 4 minus 2 2, here 4. So the answer is 42,075. So the sum of the cubes of 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus etc. plus 20 cube is 42,075.